Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your LG TV is ready. Check WebOS and update if needed, because newer apps require current firmware. Next, confirm the TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or streaming device. Wired Ethernet is even more reliable. Once done, sign into your LG account so purchases and apps sync. Then open the LG Content Store or the pre-installed streaming app like Netflix or Prime Video. This gets you to the first actionable screen for finding movies. Now you choose how to play. If using a native app, open it, search or browse and select Purchase, Rent, or Play. If casting from a phone or laptop, enable Screen Share or AirPlay on your LG, then tap the cast icon on your device. This transfers playback seamlessly. Make sure app playback quality is set to your desired resolution. Higher quality uses more bandwidth. Also, once playback starts, use the remote to control subtitles, audio track, and picture mode for best results. To finish, use the remote for pause, seek, and subtitle controls so you get the exact viewing experience you want. If playback stutters or buffers, first test internet speed. HD needs about 5.8 Mbps, 4K needs 25 plus Mbps. Next, reboot the TV and router and try wired Ethernet if problems persist. If an app misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall as a last resort. Reset app settings, but avoid a full TV factory reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.